I'm really excited, but I don't think it's gonna last. I think the COVID cases are gonna go up again.
Every time the government has announced one of these policy changes and expansion of the vaccine passport system, more people have gone out and gotten vaccinated.
Changes are coming for Quebecers Monday amid COVID-19 restrictions. The province-wide curfew is lifted as of 5 a.m.
Students are leaving the laptops behind and heading back to in-person learning.
But now with an incoming snowstorm on Monday, many Montreal schools are pushing their reopening date back since it's forced them to close.
Then, as of Tuesday, you'll need your vaccine passport to buy this, your wine, to get into the SAQ or the SQDC, the government-run pot shops.
And a week later, January 24th, if you want to get into big box retail stores like this one, you'll need to be vaxxed too.
If you're going into a store for a quick purchase and you're only going to be in there for a few minutes and everybody in there is wearing the mask, the risk of getting infected is admittedly quite low. But if everybody in there is vaccinated, that risk becomes a little bit lower.
I think it's taking things too far, with the SQDC and the SAQ.
As for the curfew, many questioning if it made a real impact on the case count or hospitalizations.
The curfew didn't happen in isolation. It happened in combination with all the other measures. So it's actually very difficult to tease out whether the curfew had any benefit or not. Logically, it should have. Anything that gets people to limit their contacts is going to make a difference in terms of the spread of COVID-19.
A measure the curfew was combined with students learning remotely since after the holidays, but they're now returning to their classrooms.
I'm a CEGEP student and I'm pretty confused with what's going on, but I'm not really too sure on how it's going to work with us in there. And there might be other complications, but we'll get through it.
Of course, this isn't up to us. So we like parents and students and staff, have to adapt to the directives that the government gives. But, we've always taken steps to ensure that the school environment is as safe and secure an environment as possible.
Yes, we are really happy for the decision of kids returning to school because it's a relief for families.
I think when you give people a concrete reason why they need to get vaccinated in terms of living their daily lives, it is enough to motivate some people to go out and book their first dose. So I think there is a benefit simply due to that outcome.
In Montreal, Pamela Pagano, City News.